Hayes range of fencing and animal handling equipment. Hayes, the world's best farmers. The proven Hayes steel standard driver, H352, makes a hard job easy. Its complementary tool is the steel standard lifter, H325, which lets you easily adjust the height of the standard or remove the standard quickly. The Hayes post rammer is essential for ensuring the stability of permanent fence posts. Fence wire handling is simplified by the Hayes wire reels. There is a whole range of them for light or heavy work, and models which take a variety of wire sizes. They come with a choice of ground spike foot or a wire base for harder ground. Operation of the reels is simple. Sit the wheel on the base. Turn the keepers inwards and load the coil of wire. Turn the keepers outwards and then you can dispense wire as required. The lightweight model is H319Y for the Y-foot version or H319S for the spiked version. Model H320 allows tension to be applied to prevent overrunning wire being spun off the coil and has a handle for rewinding to recover wire. Model H540 is collapsible and has keepers which adjust for different coil sizes. The most famous Hayes product is the original wire fencing strainer. Its reliability and robustness has been proved by generations of farmers. The basic tool is the H300 smooth grip chain grab strainer, which is effective for tensioning the high tensile fencing wire without damaging the protective coating of the wire. Operation of the tool is simple. Place a wire strop around the strainer post and attach the body jaws of the tool to the strop. Clip in the chain and make sure the chain is free from kinks or twists, and attach the chain jaw to the line wire. From there, use a simple lever action to tension the wire, ready to tie off to the strainer post strop, or to the other end of the line wire if you're straining in the middle of a fence line. When the wires are tied off or joined, the jaws of the tool are easily released. This tool also has an optional anchoring chain, H113, which can be used in place of a strop around a strainer post. The reputation of the Hayes strainer has been earned with its reliability, backed up by a full parts replacement service. It will stand years of hard work, and if one little part wears out, you don't have to replace the entire tool. Hayes stockists can supply just the part you need. Steel strainer clamps allow tensioning of deer, game, and other livestock fabricated fencing products. The clamps are available in 3 sizes. For 1.2 meter or 4 foot high fencing, the model H508S bar 1.2, and models for 1.9 or 6 foot fencing and 2.4 meter or 8 foot high fences. These are used with the H406 clamp strainer, either doubled or trebled up depending on the height of the fence. Again, the operation is extremely simple. The clamps are fixed to the netting by hammering down a wedge. The H406 strainer tool's chains are attached to the loops in the clamp. and then it's a simple matter to lever the strainers up evenly to tension the fencing. For end straining, use only one clamp on the end of the netting and fix the strainer chains around the strainer post. Then strain it all up, tie the netting around the post, and then remove the strainers. Joining the fencing, either line wire or netting, is made simple with the Hayes Easy Pull tool, catalogue number H550. Like all the Hayes products, this is a precision-engineered tool that will speed up the job. The double-action multi-purpose Hayes Easy Pull fencing tool cuts, strips, crimp joins fencing wire, and pulls staples with ease. It will crimp join everything from 16 gauge, 1.6 millimeter, to 12.5 gauge, 2.5 millimeter wires. Hayes has a whole range of permanent inline strainers and tighteners to maintain the tension for the life of your fence. This is the H302 permanent inline strainer. Now thread the other wire end through the ratchet wheel, turn over the end. Using the handle H303 on the axle, crank the wheel up to required tension. Maintenance adjustments can be made from time to time with the handle or a spanner. For an electric or hot wire, insert an insulator H516 to the H302 strainer between the line wire and the strainer. A different wire tying knot is used as shown. For the insulated model, ask for H302 bar 516. The Morton Slam Catch, H530, ensures that animal access gates close positively every time, from just a push. It opens at the touch of a handle. It's easily installed for left or right-handed gates. Bolt or weld to the gate at a comfortable height position. Recent additions to the Hayes range are the Easy Crimp multi-crimp tool and the wire tension indicator. The Easy Crimp tool cuts, strips and crimps. The cutters on the tip allow you to cut in close. The stripping notch easily removes electric fence and underground cable insulation. Easy Crimp joins fencing wire 100% strength with a choice of 4 crimps, 12.5 gauge 2.5 mil, 10 gauge 3.15 mil, 8 gauge 4 mil and 12.5 gauge 2.5 mil barbed wire crimp, plus 12.5 gauge 2.5 mil electric wire connector crimp. The wire tension indicator measures the tension of strained fence wire, so you can tighten the fence to the manufacturer's recommendations. Hayes has been helping the New Zealand farmer perform more efficiently for 90 years. Its range of farming equipment now extends to scores of high-quality products. For product details, please refer to your Hayes stockist. Hayes, for the world's best farmers.